Hey everyone, Simon here from Code Dynamics. Today I'm excited to introduce you to a powerful software tool that can make managing your Windows PC a breeze. Have you ever found your disk space running dangerously low? Whether it's your C drive or an external one, reaching maximum capacity can slow down your system and prevent you from installing essential programs. That's where WinDirStat comes in. WinDirStat, Windows Directory Statistics, provides a visual representation of your disk usage, making it easy to identify and remove unnecessary files, freeing up valuable disk space and optimizing your PC's performance. Before we dive into the installation process, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. So without further ado, let's jump right into installing WinDirStat. So the first thing you want to do is head over to WinDirStat.net, and on the home page it gives a description of what WinDirStat is and how it displays the information. So it says on startup it reads the whole directory tree once and then presents it in three useful views. The directory list, which resembles the tree view of the Windows Explorer but is sorted by file subtree size. The tree map, which shows the whole contents of the directory tree straight away. The extension list, which serves as a legend and shows statistics about file types. So to download it, go to Downloads Permalink and click on this SourceForge link. Once it's downloaded, you should see this window asking you to select your drives. You have the choice to select all local drives or individual drives. So I'm going to use individual drives and I have my C drive selected. Click on OK and you should see these little Pac-Men going back and forth as it calculates the space each directory and subdirectory is taking. Now this might take a while depending on your machine and your processor, but once it's done you should see your hard drive, and if I click on C, this whole area at the bottom is highlighted, which is the tree map, and the colors represent the different file types. And if we take a look at the extensions list, we can see that each file type or extension is represented by a different color. In the directories list, we can select folders, and in the tree map it will highlight how much space each particular folder occupies on the C drive. So currently this whole box is highlighted, which is the entire drive itself. But if I select, say, the users folder, we can now see that it's just highlighting this space that the users folder occupies, which is just a fraction of my hard drive. So it's currently taking up 26.7% of space on my hard drive, and I can click on the plus icon to the left to open it up, and we can see that it sorts the folders in descending order by their size and displays all of the information for each folder. So we can see that Simon is taking up the majority of space in the users folder, and if I wanted to investigate why it's taking up that space, again I can click on the plus icon to the left to open it up, and inside of Simon I can see that app data is taking up the majority of space at 75.8%. So if this was a folder containing game files of a particular game that I no longer played, I could go ahead and delete this folder. And once again, if I click on the folder in the tree map, it will highlight how much space that particular folder occupies on the hard drive. So WinDirStat helped me free up tons of space on my hard drive, so I thought I'd do a quick video on it for you guys. I really hope you found it helpful. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.